Finding promising ETFs in Stock Rover usually begins by selecting and then running a screener aligned with your investment philosophy. Stock Rover has a number of ETF screeners in our investors library. Let's go to the library and filter for ETF screeners. Each ETF screener embodies a specific investment theme to help you find good ETF candidates that are in alignment with your own investing approach. We'll import the ETF Outperformers screener. To import any of the ETF screeners into your account, simply select the desired screener or screeners and click Import. Below, we see the screening criteria. To pass this screener, an ETF must outperform the S&P 500, have reasonable expenses, a good Morningstar rating, and at least $500 million of net assets. Let's import. We'll click OK to refresh the page. When the ETF screener is imported into your account, it's automatically run. You can run the screener anytime simply by selecting Screeners in the Start menu, then Table, and then click on the screener to run it and load the results into the table. Here we see the ETFs that pass our screener, along with the appropriate metric values. To view ETF-centric metrics, we can simply go to Views, select our ETF folder, and we'll pick the ETF and Fund Profile view. Here we see the ETFs that passed our screener, along with ETF and Fund Profile metrics. I hope you found this video useful. I encourage you to explore Stock Rover and see all that it has to offer, as well as check out our educational videos on our website. Thank you for watching.